Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing exactly what Excel needs. A licensed desktop Excel with Get and Transform enabled and your source credentials available. Once you have that, open the Data tab and choose Get Data. Pick the correct connector for CSV, XLSX, Web, SharePoint, or Database. Make sure to enter the precise file path or URL and authenticate when prompted. This links Excel directly to the source so you can import reliably and repeatably. Now you transform the raw feed so the sheet is usable. Load the source into Power Query Editor, then remove unneeded columns, filter out noise, split or merge fields, and set correct data types. These actions ensure calculations work downstream. Once done, add any calculated columns or pivot/unpivot operations for structure, and watch the preview to verify. When the table looks right, click Close and Load so Excel places the clean finish by saving and validating. Refresh the query to confirm updates flow in, and if needed, schedule refresh through SharePoint or Power BI. If the import fails, check the connector choice, authentication, exact file path or URL, and any column type mismatches that break the load. Fixing those resolves most issues. Finally, save the workbook, document the query steps for repeatability, and keep a backup of the original source so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.